This video explains how to use the self-checkout machine. The self-checkout machines are in the main building, first floor near the counter. Student ID card or staff ID card is required. First, choose English at the bottom of the screen to change language settings. Click Checkout and then tap your card to the IC card reader. Or scan the card's barcode like this. When the card is scanned, the screen will display, place the item on the scan bed to check out. Slide the book spine through the V-shaped groove to scan the barcode. Make sure to place it in a position where the scanner can detect the barcode. If it is scanned properly, the screen will appear details about the item. There are cases that the barcode is affixed to the inside front cover. Open the book in V shape and slide it through. If the barcode cannot be scanned, try adjusting the scanner to a different angle. Click Done after you finish checking out all items. There will be a receipt with information about your loan and due date. You can also check it from My Page in My Library. Check status of loan/reservation. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.